Hello friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, as Graphics and Multimedia. And my name is Rafi Yakub right here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing website that you can use to get free magazine PSD file mockup, step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video and pay attention to those sites and see how to navigate on those sites and get your free magazine PSD file mockup for free. Okay, so let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post a free stuff like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see the very first website they have for you as far as where you can get a free magazine PSD mockup file is concerned. So the very first website I have for you, so you can see the URL right here, Goose Mockup, goodmockups.com. So for you to get free magazine mockup on this site here, so you can see this site here, they have different type of mockup and all for free. So for you to get a free magazine PSD file mockup on this site, what you need to do is to come to the home tab right here, navigate to MISC, and then you have to scroll down from the option right here. Make sure you choose magazine mockup. So you can see all magazine mockup right here. So you can download any one of magazine right here. They are all for free, both magazine cover, both inner and the like. So you can see here, you can download them. These are all for free. So for you to download any one of them, let's say for instance you are interested in this particular one here, inner magazine, just right click on the link and open a new tab. Then it's going to open in a new tab like this. Then you can scroll down and you see the preview of the mockup and the file size of the mockup. So right here you can click on, for you to download, just click on download magazine mockup. So you can see the compatibility version, at least Adobe Photoshop CS5 Plus. You are good to go. It is your magazine cover or a smart follower, smart layer, and the size here is A4 size free magazine mockup. So this is the first website I have for you on how you can get free magazine mockup right here. So you can see the preview of the magazine. And if you want to explore on the site, you can explore different category right here. They have packaging, they have business card mockup, stationery mockup, etc. So you can explore the site and get your free PSD file for free. So let's take a look at another website I have for you as far as free magazine PSD file mockup is concerned. So another website I have for you here is freemockupworld.com. So let's enter. All right, so on this particular website, there are a lot of things you can also get on this website. You can get such as branding, outdoor, Apple device, etc. Now, for you can also make use of search bar right here. You can see their search engine to search for whatever you are looking for. But for you to get a magazine mockup on this particular website, just go straight to MISC right here. And when you get to MISC right here, you have to scroll down and you're going to see magazine right here. Just click on magazine. So right here, you can see this has a lot of free magazine mockup that you can download. You can see them right here. These are all free, A4, A5 magazine, etc. And magazine cover are here also, all for free. And if you want to check more about this, you have to click on next. You can see they have about so many pages right here. You can click on next right here and move to a next paragraph. You'll be able to see more magazine mockup on this particular website. If you want to get on any one right here, just click on the link right here and it will prepare you with a download link. It's as simple as that. So let's take a look at another website where you can use to get a free magazine mockup for PSD file. So I'm going to create a new tab, come to the search engine right here, and the website is here, graphicburger.com. That's the website name. So you can see the website URL right here. On this particular website here, there are a lot of things you can get for free for graphic resource. Okay, and if you are looking for PSD magazine mockup free, what you need to do on this particular site is to just make use of their search engine. So just come to the top right here. You see this search icon. Click on the search icon and you enter the keywords. which is magazine. Then you'll be presented with a lot of magazine high resolution, just like what you see right here. These are all free magazine mockup that you can use for your design. So let's take a look at another website where you can get free magazine mockup PSD file for free. And I'll create a new tab right here, and I'll come to the search engine right here, and this is the address, psdmockups.com. So enter. So on this particular website, they have a lot of PSD file mockup for free. Okay, so you can see, you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see all free realistic mockup that you can use for your design. For you to get a magazine PSD file, all you have to do is to come to the search engine right here, type in magazine. So by the time you type in the keyword right here, and they're going to present you with the available free PSD mockup in magazine on this particular website. Okay, so just like what you see right here, these are the available magazine PSD file mockup you can get on this site. So the more you scroll down, the more you see. So you can see there is even an animation magazine PSD file mockup that all these are free. You can use them for your design as the case may be. Okay, so let's take a look at another website I have for you. I'm going to create a new tab, then come to the search engine right here, and here is the URL, psdfreebies.com. Let's check it out. So here we go. So you can scroll down on this site also. They offer a lot of free PSD file that you can use for your design, such as you can see free leather restaurant menu design. So you can scroll down and see more, such as branding, book cover, etc. So if you are looking for free magazine PSD file mockup, what you need to do is to just go to the search engine, and from the top right here, type in magazine. So from here, you are going to be seeing a lot of magazine that you can use for free for personal and commercial use. These are all free stuff that you can use for your design. So these are kind of some amazing websites I have for you on how you can get free PSD file magazine mockup for your design. I hope you really find this site useful and you like this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to share this video to some other designers and your loved one that might have interest in getting free mockup for their next design project. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.